Looking for an easy way to show your Excel data on your WordPress site without any messy copy and paste or complicated coding? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the fastest and most reliable way to import your Excel sheet into WordPress and display it anywhere you like with Elementor. By the end of this video, your table will look great, work on any device, and even have extra features like sorting and searching, all thanks to a free plugin called TablePress. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to add TablePress to your site. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, that's the black menu you see when you log in, and find the Plugins section on the left. Click on Add New. In the search bar, just type TablePress. This plugin is really popular for a reason. It's trusted, lightweight, and makes working with tables super simple. Once you see it in the results, click Install Now, then don't forget to hit Activate. Often, plugins just quietly install, but remember, until you activate it, nothing changes on your site. Now that TablePress is running, let's import your Excel file. In the dashboard menu, look for TablePress and click on Import and Export. You'll see an option for Import Source. Pick File Upload. Here, click Choose File and find your Excel file. Either XLSX or formats will work just fine. Take a breath here if you need. TablePress will read pretty much any standard Excel file, so don't worry if yours has a few columns or some formatting. You don't need to clean it up too much beforehand. Next, decide what you want to do with this data. Are you creating a brand new table, replacing something old, or just adding on more info? Usually, you'll want to create a new table. Once you've made your choice, click Import. The plugin processes your file in just a few seconds, but if it's a big spreadsheet, it might take a tad longer. That's normal. After the import, you're taken straight into the TablePress editing screen. This is where all your Excel data now lives inside WordPress. But the magic happens in the top right, where you'll see a unique shortcode, something like table ID equals 1. Keep this handy, it's your table's address, like its own backstage pass for putting it anywhere on your site. So how do we display your shiny new table using Elementor? Open the page or post you want to edit with Elementor. On the editing screen, look for the shortcode widget. You can just start typing shortcode into Elementor's widget search bar, and it should appear right away. Drag and drop this widget exactly where you want your table to be shown. Then simply paste the TablePress shortcode you copied earlier into the field. That's it. When you save your changes and preview the page, your Excel data is there, looking clean and professional, and bonus, it's responsive, so it looks good on phones and tablets too. Before we wrap up, here's one last tip. TablePress lets you enable features like sorting columns, searching, or even pagination for long tables, all from its settings. If you want visitors to be able to find info quickly or sort data by price, name, or date, don't miss out on those options. And that's it. You've just made importing Excel data into WordPress with Elementor a total breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy building.